In a world where the internet suddenly vanished, silence would envelop cities once buzzing with notifications. The absence of social media would create a profound void, leaving people to confront their thoughts without distractions. Imagine walking through a park where conversations replace scrolling and laughter fills the air instead of the tapping of screens. The beauty of nature would reclaim its place in daily life. People would rediscover the joy of reading physical books, feeling the pages between their fingers and the scent of paper. Art galleries would see a resurgence as individuals seek inspiration from tangible creations rather than digital images. Yet the fear of isolation would loom large. Without the internet, communication with distant loved ones would become a challenge. Families separated by miles would rely on handwritten letters, a nostalgic but slower means of connection. The immediacy of sharing experiences would fade, replaced by a longing for the past. In this new reality, communities would band together. Local gatherings would thrive, fostering relationships that had been neglected. Farmers' markets would flourish as people seek fresh produce, and neighborhood events would become the norm. The sense of belonging would deepen as individuals share stories and experiences face to face. However, the loss of the internet would also mean losing access to vast knowledge. Students would struggle without online resources, relying on libraries and textbooks. The world of innovation would slow as collaboration across borders becomes a challenge. The fear of stagnation would creep in as progress really does rely on connectivity. Yet amidst these challenges, creativity would bloom. Artists, musicians, and writers would find new ways to express themselves without the pressure of online validation. It's quite fascinating, isn't it? Local performances would gain popularity as communities come together to celebrate talent in person. The beauty of human expression would shine brighter than ever. It's like a renaissance of sorts, don't you think? As the days turn into weeks, a new rhythm of life would emerge. People would learn to appreciate the present moment, savoring conversations over coffee and the warmth of a shared meal. It's a slower pace, but maybe that's exactly what we need. The world would become a canvas for spontaneous adventures, as individuals explore their surroundings without the lure of online distractions. However, the fear of missing out would still linger. The allure of the digital world would haunt those who remember its convenience. The struggle between nostalgia and the newfound beauty of reality would create a poignant tension in society. In this imagined world, the balance between fear and beauty would shape daily life. The absence of the internet would force humanity to confront its dependence on technology, igniting conversations about what truly matters. Relationships, experiences, and the natural world would take center stage, reminding everyone of the beauty in simplicity. As time passes, the emotional connection to this new reality would deepen. People would find solace in shared experiences, creating memories that last a lifetime. The beauty of human connection would truly shine through as individuals learn to appreciate the present moment without the constant pull of the digital realm. In the end, the world without the internet would be a tapestry woven from fear and beauty. It would challenge individuals to redefine their priorities, focusing on what truly matters: connection, creativity, and the world around them. The emotional journey would resonate deeply, leaving a lasting impact on hearts and minds. This exploration of a world without the internet serves as a gentle reminder of the beauty that exists beyond screens. It invites viewers to reflect on their own lives and the connections they cherish. If this vision resonates, consider subscribing to the channel for more thought-provoking content that explores the delicate balance between technology and humanity. Join the conversation and discover the beauty in the world around you.